Hello everyone, my name is Pallavi Unyuri and today I will be presenting my Modern Application Development 1 project tracking management application. This is a role based web application. It has three main roles: admin, staff, and tracker. So each role has its own authentication dashboard and permission to ensure secure access in the system. So in this demonstration, I will be explaining the complete workflow of the web application. So let's start with the demonstration. First step is user registration, which is handled by the endpoint slash auth slash register. So we will go here and we have to, a new user has to add the name. So we will write the name. So I will write my name, which is Pallavi, and I will write email address. Okay. Then I will select the role. We have two roles here, tracker and the staff member. So I will select as a tracker now. And I will enter the password here. So this password, before storing, it will be hashed, securely stored as hash function. So I have used workzone here for that. Now after registration, it will directly redirect to the login page. So this tracker contains some of the booked and completed track in the dashboard. So let's see the dashboard of tracker 2. Okay, so we got invalid password. So after login, we will see we have this welcome back tracker 2 part. Okay. And this is the main dashboard where we can see all the total booking. So he has 15 bookings, upcoming, completed and cancelled track, number of, so it is made by Bootstrap card. Then we have upcoming track, which is based on the date, okay, upcoming date of the latest track, so which is August. So rest of the bookings are from November and December. So these are the recent booking done by the user. We can navigate to this part through this button, profile track history, and we have one graph showing the number of booking done by the user per month. So this are the number of booking done by the user. Now we will go to the browse track part. From here the user can book track. Okay, first of all, we can search the track by the location. Suppose we want to search from based on Maharashtra, so track from Maharashtra. So we have this Torna Fort and all those tracks are from Maharashtra. We can see in the location here. Okay, and we will clear this response. Now we can go from search. So we want to search the hardest track. Okay, user want to search the hardest track. So this is like track hard. So these are the hard track which are from Karnataka, Maharashtra. Okay, now we will clear this. We can search from duration. If you want 4 to 6 days, so you can see the duration here. Okay, so we can search by name, location, difficulty, number of days. Now we will show how we book the track. So these tracks are already booked. If we will try to book our already booked track, it will show that you have already booked this track, so we can't book track twice. So we will book a track which is not booked, so we will book this Torna Fort track. Okay, now we will click this button and we got this message that it is we have booked this. So now it is showing already booked. Now we can go here in my booking part and we can search here. Also we can search the track by name, location, difficulty, duration. Okay, now we had one we booked one track, which is this one. So this is the booking time, which is showing to us 14 July. Booking date. Okay, this is and a status is booked. We can cancel this booking from here as well. So we will cancel this booking again. So Torna Fort booking is cancelled. Now we will go in the browsing part and we can see that this is, we can again book this. Okay, so yeah, this is all about booking part. And my booking, where we can see all the booked and cancelled track history, where we can see completed and cancelled track. And so we can search here based on the status, like completed. So these are all the completed track we will get, and based on cancelled track, so one cancelled track. Then we have profile setting, where we can change our data. So we can change the data here. So profile is updated in the backend, and we can then log out from here. So this is admin dashboard, and we can, the endpoint is /admin/dashboard. So we have a card for total track, total user, total staff, and total bookings here. And we also have recently added tracks, which are this track. And then we have upcoming track, 3 upcoming track top. We have quick action bar. We can go manage user, manage booking, and manage staff. We have bar graph for monthly bookings. So we have a booking status. So these are the completed, booked, and cancelled track here. Now we will go to the manage track part. From here we can add track, we can edit and delete track. Even we can search the track based on name and ID. Suppose we want to search this value of flower, and so valley and valley word. So we can search this from here. We can also search on the basis of days. So 4-5 based on 4 to 6 days. Now let me show you how we can add the track. We can add any track. Suppose we want to add track 1. Okay, so T1 is a track name, and location, let's give this location Kulvareason. Difficulty moderate. We can assign staff from here, and we can give the status here. So I will keep it open for now, and we can give the days. Okay, let's keep it 2 days, and slot, let's keep 2 slots only. Start day, we can just go with 25. So, and we can write the description here. Let's go with any description for now, and let's add this. Now this new track is added. So let's go back to manage tracks, and we can see here the new track we added is here, T1. Okay, if you want to edit this track, we can go and edit the track. Okay, this we can edit the track, and we can go and update, so we can see the update here. Okay, let's change the approved part. Okay, let's change from approved, we can go with open, and let's change this part. Okay, so now we can see that we have open. We can also delete this track. Let's delete it. Okay, so this track is gone now. Now we have manage staff, where we can manage the staff. We can approve the staff, we can reject the staff, and we can blacklist them, the active staff, and we can even delete the staff. Okay, reactivate and delete the staff. So here we can see the number of assigned track to each of the staff. So staff 15 is assigned with 5 track, and we can go in here, view the staff assigned track. So I have used bootstrap model here for this view. Okay, we can even search the staff by ID and name. This is now manage user part. Here we can blacklist the user and reactivate them. We cannot delete the user for now. We can search by ID or name. Then we have all booking part, where we can see all the number of bookings we have. So we can just see them. Okay, so we have like around 117 bookings. In profile also, we can update the admin profile here. Now let's go to the staff dashboard. So we have staff 16, and we will log into the dashboard of staff, and we can see 3 cards displaying total assigned tracks, open track, and total participants. Then we can see upcoming track here, and the assigned track, top 3 assigned tracks. We can see the number of registered user for each track and the status. Now in my track, we can click here to see the participants, which are active user. We can see the number of participants. Those are who have booked the track. We can see the booking status as booked here, and we can manage this track from here. So this is track control center, and we can just change the number of slots to 26 to 2, and we can change this status to started. So we will save the change, and we will go back, and we can see that this has changed to started. Okay, we can change the status as well to completed. Let's suppose save the change, and when we will go back, we can see it is completed now. And in the my profile section, we can change the gender, suppose male. Okay, so we can change this part. Now let's log out. So this was the entire workflow of the project. Thank you.